Gryffindor. That's Ravenclaw.
Ravensclaw.
That's Hufflepuff and Slytherin.
Okay.
Balconies, $190. They come in. Oh, balconies, $190. Balcony, $400. Yes. You want this one? It's not mayo. In home organization.
No.
You can put chairs on there. Vegetable ones. Grab it. How about nuggets? Well, it's like close. It's in the same vicinity.
It's not the
You
same.
move it just a little bit. It's right there.
You want to? Okay.
I want to do a Squid Game. I should start watching that actually. Infinite. You're doing a.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Finder goes. No, maybe not that extreme.
What?
So many things they know.
Oh yeah, definitely. Okay, I know where we are. I don't. Yeah. With the new shovel we got though.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wash this one a little bit more. And we need a sifting. And we have see the 1 tablespoon in here. She's strong! She's strong! Daddy, I'm making cookies. That's what I'm thinking, maybe we should just get okay. 11 minutes on the clock. Start. Where are the other ones? Oh, they're over here. But now they know how it feels if they always be ordering seafood whenever I'm with them. The masterpiece and the master.
Oh, stars, bro. Yeah, he woke me up. Dude.
The girls in here so fly, she sliding up and down that pump.
That you'd always be
Band leader? Are you band leader?
Look at her.
Let me get 100. I'm gonna get 99 now. Ooh, why was I in the yellow zone?
We're in here. We just finished the room. We escaped. We killed Cheesy.
Okay, and now sideways. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Sorry, can we do one more?
Adam's up front? Yeah, okay. Just making sure we're not leaving anything back here. Wow. Happy birthday. It's a video, so you guys can hear. Happy birthday. Should I see if they can
I've been eating my bowl.
Oh, it's
But we'll see. Candles.
Because I saw you behind me, I'm like, I see you.
Party hats. We all have our party hats. Lopsided.
Lopsided.
We're looking.
Seeing
We're like
yourself.
noses.
Oh, we're supposed to say it.
She's gonna hit us.
Here.
There's right here.
Park here.
Happy birthday!
She got it on here. We tried the portable one. We tried switching it and nothing. There was no off. This man's already.
You know what I mean? Because I was telling her, like, the music she listens to is like.
Someone came in, but it was just like keep trying to come back to it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Somebody quick.
party hats are like sparkling.
Yeah.
Okay. Booking. Public library, Saturday, January.
As long as we don't get handcuffs, we're fine. As long as we don't get handcuffs.
You should ask to be spectating. Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Can I just watch them?
So can I give them the clues?
There we go.
Baby.
I'm on this camera too. Yeah.
So, Annabelle?
Oh.
All right. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. There you go. And then I'll take that side for you.
Annabelle, let's go.
Understood. I tried.
Who got tiger milk? Me.
I was gonna say you have a jacket.
There we go.
All right. On the count of 3. 1. 1.5. 3.
It's a, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm zoomed in. Oh, we didn't wear our hats.
Oh.
It's okay. Does flash be on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall if I continue doing this. You can do it. There you go. Yay! We're supposed to be a star, by the
Oh,
way.
yeah.
Oh. What's a star? This?
Yeah,
I see it a little bit.
Yeah,
It's like
outwards.
No, wait, that makes the heart. I'm supposed to be the. That makes the heart though.
It is a heart.
A heart. I'm supposed to be a.
I think he's struggling. I think he's struggling. Cute. It's okay. You're the middle of the heart, and Aya's the pointy part.
The
babies. The babies. I'm gonna fall over. I know, me too.
Okay, my knees are locking.
Oh, I think
My knees are locking. My hands are like in my.
my knees are locking. I just put the flash. You got it? Everyone got it? Okay.
Yay.